I'm just starting to reassemble the bike, and I came across a perplexing problem. The bike seems to run very well when the airbox is off the bike. So I'm starting to reassemble it. I put the airbox on, and every time I put the airbox on, the bike starts to die and cut out as if it's running out of fuel. Now what I actually found was it was actually running out of air. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so pretty much the only thing I haven't changed on the bike is the air filter. Now this is the old one. I've now gone and bought a new one. If you look at them side by side, I've cut this one open and I'll show you why in a second. You know, on first glance you think, yeah, that looks quite nice. You know, it's obviously an old filter, but the bike hasn't done a lot of mileage. It's the same there on the new one as it is there on the old one. Now, like I say, the bike was cutting out when the air box went on, and that was really sort of confusing me. So what I did was take the air filter apart. Let's look on this side first. I don't know if you can see there. It's got like some sort of rubber membrane on the inside. If you look there, you can see how this one's turned to like a, oh yeah, there it is, like a tar substance. So I cut it open. And lo and behold, the internal membrane over time has reacted and gone very tar-like. So when I was putting the airbox on, it was more or less like putting a carrier bag over the airbox. It was smothering it of air, and it would cut out. So we've now got the new air filter, which I'm going to pop on. Okay, so the gauze apparently should be on the inside of the carburettor side. Now, when refitting it, I found these rubbers a real pain. They're quite stiff. So I found the best thing to do was to heat them up slightly, maybe with a hairdryer or a heat gun. Obviously you don't want to get too close with this because this is very hot. A hairdryer wouldn't be so bad. So what was previously happening is you'd start the bike, run it for 3 or 4 minutes, and then it would cut out. If you took the air filter off, it would run as normal, and then you put the air filter back on and it would cut out again. Let's see how it goes. There's not much gas in the carbs. Okay, so there we go. I let it run for about 15 minutes or so until the fan kicked on and everything seems to be fine now. So it just goes to show something as simple as an air filter can give you such a big problem. Like I say, looking at it originally, it looked fine. But obviously it's been deteriorating all over the years. Even though the bike hasn't done a lot of mileage, the air filter has broken down. So you can see here now we've got the back end together, we've got the tank on. I think we'll just get the front end on now. Okay, so it looks like the main thing that holds this on are the mirrors. I better just check all the lights before I finally bolt everything up. I was going to clean the panels and then put them on the bike, but I think it's a little bit easier to clean them whilst they're on the bike. Some of the screws that I took off were mismatched or damaged or rusty, so some of these aren't the original ones that I'm putting on. Okay, so I've given some of the panels a little touch up and a shine up. I'll do most of the polishing when it's on the bike, it'll be easier. And I've given the screws and nuts a little spray. That's going to get on my nerves. Okay, so that rattling is coming from that by the sound of it. I believe what that is to put your, I believe what that is for is to put your tax disc in there, but I could be wrong. Okay, so I've just put a little bit of tape around there because that'll just get on my nerves rattling all the time. So that's the final touch to the bodywork. I have some tyres on order, hopefully they'll be coming soon, and then we'll be riding the bike. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.